Hi, my name is Silent Gimmon, and I am the owner of the trustisyou.com and also a brand new podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. This is my new blog, and I want to describe how the Spendthrift Trust saves on federal taxes. Now, this is not your mom and dad's trust. This is a very specialized trust. Now, both business trust and the beneficial trust are both spendthrift trusts. The business trust is for 1099 income, and the beneficial trust is for investors. My first blog was short-term capital gains. Second blog was long-term capital gains. Third blog was rent rolls or rental income. Fourth blog was interest income. This is the fifth blog. It's going to talk about dividends income. Also, the beneficial spendthrift trust will save you on royalties. Again, both trusts, the business trust and the beneficial trust, are going to save you in three special ways that the 97% of the trusts out there don't save you. It's going to save you on federal taxes. It's going to keep your information 100% private. And then it's going to keep you from paying any judgments in case you get sued. Three important things. But today we're going to talk about dividend income. Currently, federal government charges dividend income between 10% to 37%, depending on your tax bracket. I can't tell you what that is. You'll have to tell me. Now, one of my friends, I know him from a mastermind. He knows what I do with the trust. He knows, I talked to him about it. His father left him a really interesting portfolio of stocks. His father has 100 shares of the top 100 dividend paying stocks out there. Kind of an interesting thing that his dad worked on for this quite a few years and left it to him back in 2021. Every quarter when he got paid the dividends, he went on a really nice vacation, enjoyed himself until he had to do his 2022 taxes. And he's like, oh boy, I have a lot to pay in for taxes. So he contacted me. We had a conversation, and then we got his financial planner. She works at Principal. We got her on a Zoom to talk about this. She thinks it's an incredible thing. Only thing she has to do is she has to change all the paperwork. So from what the name is, she has to change it to the Spendthrift Trust name. Not too hard. It's all on the computer. We joked about this. When I then explained to her is if she sends me any other referrals, she'll be paid a $600 referral if they get a trust. And she goes, oh, that's worth me changing names on stocks. So just give you an idea, I'm looking at my notes because I'm not very good about this, but dividend income is between 10% to 37%, depending on your tax bracket. Now, just to give you an idea, on his top 100 stocks, this is what Jules, his financial planner, told me. He was making 375.27 rate of return on all his dividend stocks. That's a great return on his dividend stocks. Again, he didn't pay for it, his dad paid for it, but he was paying quite a bit in dividend income. So we changed everything over, got them set up. We're saving him over $60,000 a year in dividend income stock. This is how nice this portfolio was that his dad left him. He's loving this. He is a public speaker. He is a coach. That is all considered 1099 income that should go through the business trust. Right now, I'm going to be honest, he has it set up as an LLC where 90% of the money is going to be paid into the beneficial trust. So he's responsible for 10% of the trust. He can keep it that way if he wants to, but he is keeping himself open to state taxes. Well, he lives in Florida, so he doesn't have to worry about that. He is open to state taxes and to be sued on that 10%. We don't want that to happen to him, but it's going to be his decision if he wants to start the business trust too. But right now, we got him with the beneficial trust. His financial planner had to change the paperwork. That's what she had to do. But we are going to save him over $60,000 year after year after year after year. So what he has decided, because in honor of his dad, what he's going to do with the savings is he's going to buy one more share of each of the 100 stocks so he can leave another portfolio for other people, which is a really neat thing to do. Now, dividend income is going to be charged if you're doing stock options, if you're doing options trading, if you're doing day trading, or anything else. Again, the 5 ways the beneficial trust saves you money is it stops capital gains, short-term and long-term. It stops interest income. It stops rental income, rent roll income. It stops dividend income, and it stops royalties. Interest income, dividend income, and rental income is charged between 10% to 37% on your federal taxes. Royalties, in case you're a songwriter, an author, an artist, NFTs, any NFT is a royalty. So if you're doing NFT crypto, NFT artwork, or NFT real estate, that's a royalty. That's taxed between 10% to 35%. The business trust is going to help you save 1099 income. That's going to be another broadcast at that time. But again, I'm trying to help people save as much money as possible. I currently don't have any dividend income. I'm not invested in any in the stock market. I do all my investing with real estate and crypto. So with real estate, I do wholesaling, which is 23.8% capital gains, and crypto is considered 23.8% capital gains. So I'm saving money that way. If you have questions, again, my website is thetrustisisyou.com, and the new podcast is Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. This is my new blog. I'm also going to be doing a newsletter on LinkedIn. Kind of excited about that and getting the word out to as many people as possible. If I can be helping you save money, or you want to have a conversation with me, go out to thetrustisisyou.com, set up a one-on-one appointment with me. I have half-hour Zoom calls with many people. Or I also do a live Q&A Monday evening, 8 p.m. East Coast time. I hope this has been helpful. Take care. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.